Hello kids and welcome back. In the last module we learned how to make our first program. Now we are going to add something in our program to make it like a game. So what we can do, we are going to the controls, all right, and we are going to events and go get this one when space clicked to watch move somewhere. Okay, I'm going to add the motion move 10 steps. Okay, I'm just going to duplicate it. All right, so we have done this one. I'm going to use the arrow keys, right arrow and left arrow. So right arrow is forward and left arrow is backwards. So if I am going to click right arrow, it is moving right ways and the other way. Okay, and from the direction I am going to choose this one left right, so it would change the direction as I am looking for. So when I'm going to click, okay, don't want this sound for now. Whenever I'm putting something outside, it is not going to be part of my game. It has to be inside when clicked, or I have to click on this one to add in my game. So when I am going to click this one, my robot is dancing, and if I am going to click my from my keyboard the right arrow and the left arrow, okay, you can see I can move it from left to right. Let's add a little thing more. Okay, I'm going to duplicate it, and from motions I'm going to get up and down position. For up and down position I have to change Y by. Okay, I don't want this one. Okay, so if I'm going to click on up arrow, it is going to change Y by 10, means going up, and I'm going to duplicate it, and I'm going to click on the down arrow and change it by -10. Alright, so changing Y by 10 means going up, changing Y by -10 means going down. You can see that. So I'm going to play the game. It's playing, and I can make it move anywhere I want, up, down, left, right, wherever I want. Okay, so this is how I can control the robot with my key from the keyboards. That's how we make our games interactive. That's all for today. See you in the next module. Bye bye now.